in on the back side of the turret in here. And that just makes it more three-dimensional. And then we talked about we had done a lesson some time ago about painting windows and doors. And you're on the right track. I just feel like we need another value change. The darkest darks we have in the painting aren't really dark. And I kind of like to dramatize things a little bit. So I pushed the darks a bit. And we decided that we could drop down the close side of the windows, and we could drop down that door a little bit as well and emphasize them a bit more. And then we talked about the shadow. Uh, there's not enough value change between the shadow and the background here. And that's something I always think about playing around with. Just come in and we can tell the viewer more emphatically, let's just go right over that and maybe have a rock or something there. Uh, and I'm not able to soften. I wish I could soften an edge a little bit there. Also, we talked about these, the division of spaces. You've got the idea correctly, but there's not enough value change. Darker again. We made the point that if we look at where I'm pointing here, these are two different planes and two different colors, but they're the same value. And over in here,